Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Dudungisan kita. Hi, this was years ago na. But until now, I still think about it. Thinking about it now, I cannot believe na nagawa ko yun. I was in a relationship that time. I was 18 and so in love. Pero my partner has this tendency to compare me to his best friend's girlfriend. He was mentally draining and he made me feel insecure every day. Maybe that's what drove me insane. He tells me how she's so talented, good at singing, has a perfect body, an athlete, and smart. I got really insecure. It got the best of me. I felt like shit. I know I wasn't supposed to be angry at the girl, pero I just got crazy. At that time, I was thinking na baka I just need to bring her down para lumamang ako. I used her photos and other women's nude photos na kasing body type niya to upload on Twitter. Alter Twitter to be exact. Twitter pa siya that time before maging X as we know now. I used it to post like I'm selling nudes. I posted her number, her social media accounts, and her full name for everyone to know it's her. I even followed and liked a post of one of her classmates para lang manotice and ma-spread ang alt account niya. Eventually, she knew about it and she posted the screenshots of my posts using her identity and mga evidence sa Facebook niya to clear her name. In the end, na-clear niya ang name niya pero nakita ko sa stories ng friend niya na some people despised her because of it. I don't know why pero I felt satisfaction that time na parang mission accomplished ba. After a few days, dinilit ko na yung account. I felt evil. I realized na I didn't have to do that to her. That I should have just ended things with my ex na lang back then. In the end, everyone forgot about it but me. The guilt is with me. I did that just for a guy.